Hey YouTube, welcome to the episode 2 of Small Business Grant series by Credit Viral channel. Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this small business grant of $25,000 pretty easily with step-by-step guide. So please watch this video till the end. This is a huge opportunity for a lot of you out there, and remember that in this series we are going to review all the 50 states grants program. And you know that grants means free money. It means you don't have to pay back a single penny to anyone. So in order to watch all the videos from your state and your city, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload those videos for you. And remember that I'm also going to upload another video right after this which will allow you to get a $18,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So of course just subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon if you want to get notified for it, and please smash the like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So another day, another opportunity, and this time is for the great state of California. Yes, the people who are owning the small businesses in the state of California, you have a great opportunity right in front of you. Yes, you can get this small business pandemic relief grant pretty easily, but you gotta hurry because the round 2 is opens on February 2nd and closing on February 8th at 6 p.m. So you gotta hurry up. And remember, I'm going to tell you each and everything in detail, including the eligibility criteria and what are the documents you need and how you can apply for it. So please watch this video till the end. Remember, the selection notifications will be on February 11th and the waitlist notice will be published on February 22nd, and non-selection notice will be on February 24th. So keep that in mind. They do have a call center as well. I'm going to tell you the number as well, and they're open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So keep that in mind. Yes, this is a great opportunity. As you know, on Credit Viral channel we are doing this series which will allow you to know about the business grants in your state, in your city. So of course, if you're not from California, or if you're even from California and you want to know about more grants and from other states, from other cities, or from your own cities, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, because we are coming up with some more huge opportunities. And as you know, the grant means free money. It means you don't have to pay a single penny back to anyone, but you gotta follow some steps, and we are going to tell you each and everything in detail. So first, the question arises that how you can apply. You can apply by your county as well. So let me just click on it and tell you what I mean. So as soon as you click on it, there are all the counties of California. So wherever you live, you can select your county. For example, San Francisco, San Diego, Riverside, Sacramento, San Benito, San Bernardino, of course it's really hard to spell, Santa Clara. So a lot of counties right here, pretty much all the counties. So you can select from, and then it will open a page, or you can say the website you can apply from. For example, let me just click on Alameda, right? So right here, if I click on it, of course it shows me that I have plenty of options to apply from Cameo, from Asian Inc., from Chamber of Commerce California, from Call Nonprofit. So of course they have pretty much decent number of options that you can apply from. So let's go back towards the website, because I want to show you some more things right here, that what are the eligibility criteria. So don't worry about it. Even if you are for profit or non-profit, you can apply for it, so don't worry about it. As you know, in most of the small business grants application, only for-profit businesses are allowed, but in this one, non-profits also can take part. So don't worry about it. This is literally a great opportunity for a lot of you out there. So of course, as you can see, the round 1 deadline was started from December 30th, and the application closed on January 13th. The round 2 started from February 2nd. It's going to start from February 2nd, and you only have 6 days to apply. So keep that in mind. You don't have much time. Gather all the documents that I'm going to show you right here, and then apply as soon as possible, because of course I believe they're going to do the same thing, that they're going to give the small business grants until the funds are exhausted, so keep that in mind. So what are the necessary documentation? So let's talk about it. So of course, application certification, signed certification used to certify your business financial information such as most recent tax return filed 2019 and 2018. Yes, don't worry about 2020, it doesn't matter, of course, because they are actually looking at the factors happened in 2018 and 2019 because of the pandemic, and then they are giving you this opportunity, or you can say grant, because of course with the new recent stimulus bill too, it's really easy and the funds are a lot, so of course you can get it pretty easily. So of course you have to provide the documents actually in PDF or JPEG form, so keep that in mind. Copy of official filing with California Secretary of State if applicable, or local municipality for the business, such as one of the following articles: incorporation certificate of organization, fictitious name of registration, or government issued business license. So keep that in mind. A lot of people will be actually going with government issued business license, as this is really general and straightforward. Government issued photo ID such as driver license, passport. Of course, if you have it, you can do that, and of course, who doesn't have it? I don't want to stretch this video a lot because I'm doing it like in a rapid manner, because there are a lot of things to talk about right here, and this is really important. So please watch this video till the end, and if you haven't liked the video yet, please like it, because what are you waiting for? Just I'm giving you 1 second to do that. One. Thank you so much for doing that. If you haven't, then please do it. So let's move on and see how much is the grants right there. So eligible business annual revenue. So of course you are going to get small business grant according to your revenue. So you can see that if your revenue is from $1,000 to $100,000, then you're going to get $5,000 right here. If it's greater than $100,000 and up to $1 million, then you can get up to $15,000 pretty easily. And if it's greater than $1 million, I don't know why you need like the 25,000 grand. If your revenue is more than $1 million up to $2.5 million, then you can get $25,000 in grant. Of course, this is really simple and straightforward, and as I told you, the eligibility right here, I'm going to tell you right. So the must meet the definition of an eligible small business. An eligible small business means a small business, sole proprietor, independent contractor, or 1099 work, or a registered for-profit business entity such as C Corp or S Corp, or limited liability company, as I told you, the LLC or partnership, that has yearly gross revenue of $2.5 million or less, but at least $1,000 in yearly gross revenue based on most recently filed tax returns. So keep that in mind. Small non-profit registered 501c, I'm not gonna get into a detail of that. Of course, you have to actually have at least $1,000 in yearly gross revenue in order to get approved for it. Of course, the second one is active business or non-profit operating since at least June 1st 2019. Of course, don't worry about it 2020 if you are even close. So if you've been operative since June 1st 2019, then you are good to go. You can apply for this. Yes, this is also for non-profits, and I'm really happy to know that, because a lot of the small business grants, they don't allow non-profits to take part in their grants program. Right here on the third one, business must currently be operating or have a clear plan to reopen once the state of California permits reopening of the business. So if your business even closed and you're sitting at home chilling, so don't worry about it, you can still get this money to reopen your business. Business must currently be operating or have a clear plan to reopen. The state of California permits reopening of the business, as I already told you. Business must be impacted by pandemic and health and safety restrictions, such as business interruptions or business closures occurred as a result of pandemic. So keep that in mind. Business must be able to provide organizing documents, including 2018 and 2019 tax return or Form 990's copy of official filing with the California Secretary of State if applicable, or local municipality for the business, such as one of the following articles: on incorporation certificate of organization. I already told you right there, so I'm not going to stretch the video a lot. Business must be able to provide acceptable form of government issued photo ID. Applicants with multiple business entities, franchise locations, etc. are not eligible for multiple grants and are only allowed to apply once using their eligible small business with the highest revenue. So of course, if you have multiple business entities such as like franchises and other locations of your business, you can only apply for one grant, as you know that they consider those franchises as one entity or one business, so keep that in mind. But who's ineligible? This is the biggest question. So businesses without a physical location in California, if you're not California, you cannot apply for it. And you know that we are actually posting videos for all the 50 states and pretty much all the cities, all the mainstream cities in United States of America. So of course, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now, because we are coming with your state and your city's small business grants program, and also we are coming with rental assistance or mortgage assistance videos as well. So don't forget that. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon and smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Non-profit business is not registered as either 501c, 501c, 501c6. So keep that in mind. This is really important. Non-profits are actually eligible, but if you're not registered with those sections, then of course you're not eligible. So check your paperwork if you are eligible or not, or either you're registered with 501c3, 19, and c6. Government entities other than Native American tribes or elected official offices, you are not eligible. Businesses primarily engaged in political lobbying activities, of course, like nobody wants to give them the money. So of course, passive businesses, investment companies, and investors who file a Schedule E on their personal tax returns, so keep that in mind, you are not eligible. Churches and other religious institutions, regardless of whether such entities qualify as this sections, you are not eligible. That's sad to know, but yeah. So financial business primarily engaged in a business of lending, such as banks, finance companies, and factoring companies. You're already making a lot of money, so you're not eligible. Businesses engaged in any activity that is illegal under federal, state, or local law, of course nobody wants to give money to the illegal business. Businesses of a pure sexual nature, including businesses which present live performances of a purient sexual nature, and businesses, as you know, like strip clubs and stuff, and businesses engaged in any socially undesirable activity or activity that may be considered predatory. In, of course, it's just no, I'm not gonna talk about it, right? Of course. So there are a lot of things right here, and this is really important. Affiliated companies such as Trump's is defined in 13 CFR 121.103. Just Google the sections and you will know that what it is. Multiple business entities, franchise, I already told you, so I'm not going to get into a detail of that. What are the required documents you need? This is really important. Signed certification used to certify your business, of course, application certification. Most written tax return filed in 2019 and 2018. Don't worry about 2020. And you need to actually upload PDF or JPEG format because it's all online. And then you need your driver license or passport. This is really easy and straightforward. I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can go there, click on it, and apply with your county, and this is really easy. And remember that I already told you this is the episode 2 of the small business grants series on Credit Viral channel. So we are coming up with more videos from California, from other 50 states and cities where you live. So please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, and if you haven't clicked the like button, please do that. It helps the channel grow. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.